Welcome to the ultimate profession for empowering others, generating wealth, and fostering personal freedom. There's no better business to make a difference in people's lives. You know it, and I know it, but there's something that's missing. In the marketplace today, technology is advancing so quickly, the days where you can market just a few physical products only are over. It's imperative that you have a physical and a digital product mix that allows you to pivot and accelerate to accommodate the changing times. Business is an infinite game. Products go through life cycles, and in today's day and age, the company that can give the people what they need when they need it will triumph over the long term. Enter a new disruptor. In 2014, Josh and Jenna Swagel started My Daily Choice, and together they grew year after year, breaking industry records and being recognized as one of the fastest growing affiliate marketing companies in the world. Just as they asked themselves, what's next? The whole world changed. Your work changed. The way you shop changed, and you're left wondering, is this my new normal? The great resignation was upon us, and more people are taking a serious look at working for themselves, working from home, starting a home-based business. Well, your timing is perfect. You're right where you need to be. Join thousands of others working from home in control of their financial freedom and lifestyle. In a profession doing over $200 billion a year filled with thousands of opportunities, My Daily Choice sets out to be the disruptor of the industry. A network marketing company that was built by affiliates for affiliates.
As an insurance advisor, I understood the power of residual income many years ago. However, I'm bound to the states that I'm licensed in. What I love about my MDC business is I'm able to build an additional residual income, but not only in all the other states, but in hundreds of countries all over the world.
With the highest payout in the industry, and that means your hard work will pay off. Other companies only pay their affiliates 40 to 50% off of all the business generated. At My Daily Choice, we do what nobody else does. Our compensation plan pays out 85% of the business volume. Now that's never been seen before because we believe your business should work for you when you work for it.
I'm a mama of 3 kids and a holistic doctor in Tampa, Florida with 2 busy locations. Before MDC, I was working crazy hours and I had no lifestyle freedom. Now, after finding My Daily Choice, I have the freedom to get my kids from school, pick my own hours now that I have a residual income. It makes a world of difference in my quality of life.
Your success comes from representing a house of brands so you can market your diversified portfolio of products and services and capitalize on the newest trends in the hottest industries. Instead of being locked into just one industry, you get to participate in all of them.
Coming to My Daily Choice has become one of the greatest moves I've ever made in my career. Being a part of a company that has a house of brands and being able to offer some of the hottest categories I have ever seen in this industry makes it so much easier for an affiliate to have massive success.
Daily Sprays uses an advanced micronized mist delivery system with formulas that combine the best of nutrition and technology to support your wellness. HempWorks products are leading-edge CBD nutritional products to help your endocannabinoid system and overall wellness for both your family and your pets. For over 4 decades, Fuel Factor X has leveraged Nobel Peace Prize-winning chemistry to save money at the pump and reduce their emissions. It's effective in gas and diesel, so everyone can benefit. High Life Travel is the world's first prepaid travel savings model that brings travelers to the deepest discounts and wholesale rates available. Enjoy savings on flights, hotels, cruises, car rentals, vacations, luxury resorts, and soon-to-be group-curated trips, and more. Digital currencies are changing the world and the way we think about finance. Akashics is an educational platform to help you master your Forex and cryptocurrency portfolio, offering a variety of educational products, tools, and solutions to help you become the better trader. Learn how to capitalize on the largest, most liquid market in the world and let your money work for you.
I've seen a lot of different trading platforms, and here with Akashics has everything all in one place. Absolutely amazing.
The My Daily Choice House of Brands makes it possible for you to have something to offer everyone. And with the new addition of our marketplace, we have literally cracked the code on Amazon, enabling our affiliates not just to market our original 11 brands, but now other multiple amazing brands launching every single month. Now you have access to almost every category to profit from, and it's free to refer customers to shop with you.
5.5 years ago, I bought a product to help my mom with health issues. Here I am. I stayed because of the quality of the products, and also because of the family that I've created here. I have some of the best friends, some of the best mentors, and this has truly changed my life.
Sound exciting? If you're ready to take the next step, let us show you how easy it is to get started. I've been in the home-based business arena for over 2 decades, earning over 8 figures. But here's the thing, with the house of brands and all the different varieties here, my team is winning. That's the biggest thing. I love seeing that. And it's all free. An industry-leading duplicatable marketing system, including a mobile app, sampling system, high converting websites and landing pages, powerful videos, and much, much more.
The systems here are amazing. All I did is follow the system.
And now we have the #1 proven training and event system in the world.
I've earned over 7 figures in network marketing, and I've never seen a training system like this before.
Producing countless 6- and 7-figure earners across the globe.
What I love about this industry is the structure. Not only the structure that's set up for time and money freedom, but the structure that we've set up for family freedom.
You get to leverage this for your benefit. Just plug and play and duplicate leadership at scale. You don't have to worry about investing in expensive marketing tools, designing a beautiful website, or curating content for social media. The work is all done for you.
If you're looking at this business for the very first time and you're wondering, hey, can I do this? Is this real? Can I actually do this thing? I thought the same thing. I've been doing this now for over 30 years. And let me just tell you this, it has been life altering. I got 2 boys and they've never known a father that's had to go to work and leave the house. I've been able to build a very successful business entirely from home, working around my kids' schedule, my family's schedule. And there's nothing that's a greater blessing than having time freedom to spend with your family.
So you can focus on sharing the products you love, referring customers you meet, making the money you deserve, and gaining the lifestyle that you want. So how do you make the money? There are 8 different ways to get paid here. To just touch on a few, you get paid up to 50% customer acquisition bonuses and also up to 50% of the affiliate jumpstart bonuses. We've taken the strengths from the unilevel and the binary, where your achievement levels, rank bonuses, and check match are determined by your enrollment tree. However, your binary has a potential of up to $2 million per month. Quick example. But first, you can't sell out of an empty cart. So if you want to get started the best way possible, it's recommended that you purchase a package that's around 500 in business volume, not dollars, but business volume. This does 2 things. Number 1, it gives you enough product to try so you know what you want to sell and reorder. And number 2, it generates enough volume in the compensation plan to make it worth your time. Okay, so let's say in this hypothetical scenario that you enrolled 4 packages, 2 on the left and 2 on the right, and you become a 1K affiliate, which is the basic building block of the MDC compensation plan. This earns you a total of $930. Now you're in profit, and next, all you do is you help those 4 affiliates become 1K affiliates. That would earn you approximately $1,260. And just carrying it out one more time, you help those affiliates become 1K affiliates. That earns you an additional $6,028, and that's a little over $8,200 total in commissions. There's no guarantees of income here. You get out of it what you put into it. Some people make more and some people make less. What if all this did was get you 1 extra vacation a year? What if all this did was help you make an extra $500 a month? And what if all this did was help you go part-time or possibly transition out of your job?
From a technology and a marketing standpoint, I mean, there isn't even a close second.
Every 10 seconds, someone is starting a home-based business. Why not you, and why not now? My Daily Choice has an unprecedented growth year after year and is 100% debt-free with no signs of slowing down.
The compensation plan is the best out there. The products are the best out there. And I'm so proud to be partnered with such an incredible company that is completely changing my life every single day.
Choose your package immediately and join the movement that's exploding across the globe. The time is now to take control of your life.
Here's what I understood. Life doesn't get different by chance. It gets different by choice.
Get with the person now that introduced you to this video, and let's get you launched today.